we actually have an interesting demonstration here today. Bear with me. We were making fun of the fact early on that we got a pretty old bottle opener here, but a very good example of a till pour process. For those of you that drink or enjoy a cold beverage from your local restaurant, so think of the way a bartender would fill your beer in the cup. So yes, I do have a beer here today, and I have a cup. So the till pour process, where Monty and I were just talking about, the static pour, it's all based on the operator and what the operator is pouring and how fast they're pouring.
Correct.
Control on the till pour process is we soft automate, and the machine tilts at a certain rate. Yep. So a good example would be, how that bartender then is pouring that down the side of the glass, and it gradually tilts back so you can get a nice, foamless beer at the top there. And then your part sets, and then when it's ready to eject, it tilts back. And I'm not going to do that because I don't want beer all over the table here. But it'll tilt back, and then you can eject the part. So on till pour processes, there is a benefit of the machine controlled side of things. That's a good way to think about it. I know our team here uses that quite a bit as a example.